Solar Idea's True Hybrid Solar Power Generating System. True Hybrid Solar Power Generating System gives you optimum output from solar power plant, power backup during power cut, and reduces your electricity bill. True Hybrid Solar Solution is a combo of on-grid and off-grid solar power generating systems. In True Hybrid Solar Solution, you can configure your backup solution based on the appliances used in power failure times and hours of backup you need. Let us understand the functionality of True Hybrid Solar Solution. Assume that requirement at home is 20 units of power every day, and you would like to configure a solar plant which generates 15 units of power, and also you need 10 units of power backup during power cut times. Solar Idea's True Hybrid Solar Solution comes with a capacity that produces 15 units of power, and this power is connected to full load through an on-grid inverter. Parallelly, the solar PV array is also connected to a Solar Idea's solar PCU and batteries. Your batteries in this system are charged by solar power and grid power. Once the batteries are full, the system automatically shuts down the power supply to off-grid PCU and brings losses to zero in this scenario. Between your on-grid inverter and solar PCU, we use our Solar Idea's intelligent power sensing system, which intelligently turns on and turns off the solar PCU based on the main line's power supply. If main lines are on, your on-grid system will work. And if main lines are off, your solar PCU starts functioning to avoid power losses and gives backup. Let us understand this with few scenarios. Assume your solar PV panels are generating 15 units of power and you need 20 units at home. Solar Idea True Hybrid System takes 15 units from solar and 5 units from grid and supplies to your home. Assume your solar PV panels are generating 15 units of power and you need 10 units at home. Solar Idea True Hybrid System takes 15 units from solar and supplies 10 units to your home. The remaining 5 units of power are sent back to the grid if you have net metering. Assume requirement at home is 10 units. The Solar Idea's intelligent power sensing system senses the main power supply is off and it turns on the solar PCU. Once the solar PCU is on, 10 units of power is supplied to your essential load from solar PV panels and your batteries are untouched. If the available sunlight is less and your PV panels are producing only 5 units of power, then your True Hybrid Solar Power Generating System takes 5 units from panels and 5 units from batteries and supplies 10 units of power to your essential load. Power on during night time. During night times, your solar power plant produces 0 units. Power from your grid is imported and supplied to entire home. Batteries are untouched because to utilize during power cuts. Power off during night time. If power is off during night time, the battery storage is used to supply power to home. Solar Idea's True Hybrid System is different from the regular hybrid systems. Solar Idea True Hybrid Solar Power Generating System gives you optimum output from solar, reduces electricity bill, and effective backup. Why go anywhere else? If you are getting a system at affordable price, 24/7 service and reliable solution. Solar Idea. Solar Idea.